you're doing it again. Do it again. Talk in there. Go, ah. Can you put it on your head? Head, yeah, that's your head. Put your hand on. Good job.